Now we're going to talk about PicCollage Kids. This app can be seen in the bottom right corner of my screen. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And as you can see, the first thing you're prompted with, it says tap here to create a new collage. So it's going to go ahead and tell you this is how you're going to tap, and it's going to take you through how to set up this collage. If you scroll left and right, you're going to see your previous creations. So this is an example of something you could do, add in pictures and then adding in text. This is an example of when we did the 5 sentences in kindergarten. They're taking pictures of themselves. So here I'm just going to go ahead and show you what this looks like if we tap and it opens. So it says tap anywhere to add a photo. So let's just follow the directions being given to us. Tap anywhere to add a photo. So the spot that I just tapped, I can add, you can see photos, web images, text. I can add some stickers. I can change my background or something that's already in my collection. So I can go ahead and click and add something that's in my photo library. When I'm done, do you see how, no matter how many I've checked, I can click as many as I need, and you see a check mark with a number up in the top right corner of this photos box. So I'm not going to select that many. Let's just do that one, maybe this pumpkin, and maybe this farmyard. I'm going to click the check mark, and it automatically put these 3 across my screen. I can pinch them and make them bigger or smaller as I need them to be. I can also click again. I can maybe add some stickers in here. You've got a lot of different things available to use. We've got, again, I can click on a sticker like this one. I can click more than one, and then again, you see the check mark with how many I've selected. Click the check mark and they will automatically go to my screen. They've kind of piled on top of each other. That's okay. So I can again pinch them, make them bigger, make them smaller, wherever it may be that I want them. A good thing to note is in the bottom, in the center, in the bottom, there's a plus sign. I can click it. Same thing instead of clicking somewhere on the screen. And like I showed you before, the 5 sentences that I did with the students, that's where I'm going to select a template in the bottom left corner. So in the bottom left corner, I can select my layout, how many pictures maybe, or areas that I want to use. So if I was to select this, it just automatically took those 3 pictures. I selected 5, and I had 3 in there, so it went ahead and put those in the right location. So then I can move them around to maybe fit where I need them to be. So that's PicCollage, and when you're done, it's going to save, and it's here. I can go back in and push in the bottom right corner. That's our export button. If I click on that, you can see that it's been saved to my library. I can send it by iMessage, email. I can copy the link and maybe post it in my Google Classroom or send it to my teacher. You can click more and you're going to see the apps that it works with. So for example, Google Drive it works with Sketch, it works with Explain Everything, the Drive, of course. You can click more, and sometimes you're going to have more apps listed depending on what's already